the Best of Jamaica 2020 San Francisco Results Show. We asked and you responded, so here are the results of the Best of Jamaica in San Francisco for 2020.
This is Nigel. With the new Digicel International app, he can connect with loved ones in so many more ways. Now, a click with Digicel International is a click to more. It's a click that gives support from afar. It's a click that sends money for the essentials. It's a click that pays bills easily to keep the lights on and the water running. It's a click that brings you closer to them and brings home to you. Download the new Digicel International app or visit digicelinternational.com.
What is the best local Jamaican patty shop bakery? And in San Francisco, people voted Peaches Patties. So congratulations to them. And then we have the other category. What is the best Jamaican local restaurant in San Francisco? And that was Flavor's Jamaican Grill. So congratulations to all our winners in Los Angeles and San Francisco. Visit Jamaicans.com for more results on the Best of Jamaica 2020 in other regions of the USA, Toronto, London, and Jamaica.
Since the 90s, Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union have been connecting families at home and abroad. In the 2000s, we did the same, linking generous senders to grateful receivers. And in the 2010s, reaching people in every nook and cranny. Now in the 2020s, when loved ones are forced to be apart, we're here, keeping you connected. Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union. 30 years of helping you connect the dots.